welcome to a new video. I don't even know where to start. I haven't been filming for the reason that I've been sick, and I just got out of the hospital yesterday, and I just wanted to do videos because I miss you guys. I miss filming videos. And sorry if you could hear my heater. It's super cold and I have to keep myself warm. So I've been sick. As many of you guys know, I have a chronic disease, so I get sick pretty often, and yeah, but I'm not gonna get into that. Hopefully it's the last time I end up in the hospital. And yeah, sorry if I look a little bit of a mess. I kind of wanted to come back and do an unboxing. I've been receiving these subscription boxes for a while now, and I just never shared it. And today I kind of want to just open them, and since I don't have nothing on my face, I kind of want to try some things just because I want to go out today and do stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna open these and I'll try them on just for fun. And I'm gonna start with Ipsy, and I'm not gonna go over them because if you're watching this, that is because you already know about it. So yeah, at the end I'll just try what I can. Okay, so this is a bag. It's doesn't really have much, but we'll see. And then this is a card that has everything I'm getting. And yeah, I kind of don't like the bag. I don't know. I feel like it's too much. Okay, so the first thing I get in the bag, ooh, I thought it was gonna be cheaper. It looks nice. I'm sorry I look over here, the camera's over here. I'm filming with my phone. Hopefully you guys could hear me well because I'm kind of still sick. But yeah, this is the brush. And it's a Luxie 243 precising blending. So that's the first thing. The next thing is by The Balm. And it's a eyeshadow, I think. Shadow Forward. Take It For Granted. And it looks like this. And it's pretty cute. Hopefully I use it. I still have the marks from the hospital, so don't mind that. It's a nice color. The next thing is by the brand Can't See. I don't know, but it's a perfume. This is the first time I get a perfume in a Ipsy bag. Ooh, it smells nice. I feel like we're fine. It smells nice. I like it. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like sweet and soft. Like it's not. I like it. It's nice. Okay, so I got two more things, and they're like tubes, and that's everything. The first thing is it's a lip treatment by Hanalei, and it's in peach pink, and it just looks like that. It's sealed, so that's good. And the last thing I got in my Ipsy bag is a MAC Strobe Cream Hydrating Luminix. It's a cream. that's everything I got for my Ipsy. So now we're gonna move on to my Boxycharm. So this is what my thing looks like. Okay, so the first thing is this Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, but it looks kind of beat up, like if they were throwing it around or something. There's marks everywhere. So yeah, this is the first thing I got. It's kind of heavy. It's really heavy. I also got this copper foil magnetic luminous eye color by the brand Nude Sticks. Let me swatch it. Ooh, it's pretty. The next thing is this Sol Genera cream, Coco Cabana cream, and I've heard things about it, but we'll see how it works on me. Some people don't like it, some people like it, so we'll see. I'll try it today since I don't have nothing on my face. I also got this No Pore Blonde Primer, smooth pore covering, top secret for perfect makeup. Touch and Soul. I've also heard a lot of things about this, so I'm excited to try it. And the last thing I got is a Shimmering Swan and Sparkling Sass by Pretty Vulgar. I can't say that word. And this is a highlighter, I guess, because I don't know about this color for me. Maybe. So I'm gonna try the cream, and let's see. It has a little cap thingy. It looks like that. Ooh, it smells nice. It smells like coconut, but at the same time it smells like popcorn. Like, yeah, it smells like popcorn. I haven't been taking care of my skin lately because I've been so sick. Yeah, it smells like popcorn. I felt like it's like refreshing. What do you guys think? And I don't think I'm gonna try the rest of the things just because I think the only thing I'm gonna try is the Better Than Sex mascara. I never tried it. I'm just kind of iffy about it because it looks like it's been thrown in the ground, and I don't know. Okay, so it looks like that. Let's see how it works. I usually curl my lashes, so I'm not doing it this time. You think there's any difference? Yeah. I like how it separates them. My lashes are not that long, but they look kind of long. I like how they look. And then I'm just gonna try the lip thingy so I could have something in my lips. Just that color. Yeah, and then it just gives you a shine. It's not really a color. Okay, so that's everything I got for my Ipsy and my Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of like iffy, like I don't know, like, but I'm gonna come with more videos. Hopefully you guys keep watching my videos, and thank you for being here watching, and see you in my next video.